October, gosh, I don't know if it's 21st or 22nd, 2019. What time is it? I can't see it. 6:30 a.m. I'm hiccuping all fucking night long. Choking in the middle of the night. Try to sleep a little. Just when you go to sleep, get into a choking spasm, wakes you up. Suffocating. Miserable. Doesn't even stop the hiccup. It's just too much.